get rained on again, but you can see the truck way down there. Went by earlier. Okay. It's raining off in the distance. There it is right there. Cold. We have just hiked up here from the truck. This is private land, and we walked up this road here because that is where we're heading for right there. We are heading to this site way away from the main road because that is Sergeant James Butler. He fell. From his marker down off that way is the Reno Benteen site, and off this way about 2.5 miles or so over that rise is Last Stand Hill. The Bighorn Mountains right there. So Benteen's encampment was down that way, the field hospital, and you can see the road there over that ridge, Sharpshooter Ridge. And then over that, now the corporal was killed right over that rise. So the corporal's marker was right over that rise, right there. So you can see how far the truck is. And the horse is getting closer and closer. Alright, so what we have here is something for Sergeant Butler. His marker right here. Try to get it in there good. It's not going to flap in the breeze. I'd like it to flap a little, but the more it flaps, the faster it comes apart. So Sergeant James Butler, Troop L. Alright, buddy. I'll bring another one back for you when I come back. And we'll be back. I want to try to keep it low so it doesn't flap. Rest in peace. See, here's the top of the marker. Let's see if I can do this here. It's resting on the marker. Is the cemetery. So it's roughly 2.5 miles. Well, it's probably 3 miles to the cemetery. It's probably 2.5 to Last Stand Hill, which is off in the distance. All right, Sergeant Butler. He fell right here. All right, buddy. See you in a couple months. Now, the corporal's gravesite, the corporal's marker, I don't think we can get to in 2.5 minutes.